Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another little week in my life. For those of you who don't know, I am a sophomore in college, and so this week in my life is going to be the week after Thanksgiving break, which is pretty hard to come back to, especially this year. My professors were so nice and they did not assign any assignments over break. And so I literally didn't do homework for like 4 days, which was so nice. And so yeah, I mean, there's only 2 weeks left and then we have exams. I only have exams. I have 2 on the same day. So I will be officially finished. Well, not really. I guess I'm officially done like December 15th, but like class and exam wise, I'll be done the 11th, which is so exciting. So, yeah, but it's just like really hard to come back from break, and like these last few weeks are so hard just to like stay motivated and to keep up on your assignments and study for exams. And you know, I have like 3 final research projects and I'm just like, oh, why couldn't we space these out instead of making them all due at the end? But whatever, it'll be good. I'm excited to finish this semester and finish it off strong. So yeah, I just finished making my weekly assignment schedule. For those of you who are new here, I do this every single week on Mondays. I think it's a great way to start the week and just kind of see what you have due and plan. So I go through all of my syllabi class by class and I write down what I have due that week, all of the specific due dates. So I don't have, well actually it's kind of a little bit of a busy week. Just because I have a lot due for classes that I don't usually have a lot due for. And then I have like 2 papers to write, as I mentioned earlier, and I need to get started on a final project. I am taking a online physical geology class. It's been the easiest class I've ever taken. Like you get 20 out of 20, like if you do the assignment basically you get an 100. And the tests are not timed. You can literally Google every answer, and so it's just like such an easy class. But she has a final project due, and it's like pick any topic of your choosing and write whatever you want on it. Like there's no specific format, no specific length, no specific questions that we're supposed to be answering. And I'm like, what the heck am I supposed to be doing? So I think I finally decided that I'm going to do something on like glaciers, just because I just read that chapter and I really found it interesting. And also when I was in Iceland over the summer, there were a lot of glaciers there, and I actually got to snowmobile on a glacier on top of a volcano, so that was really cool. And so I have like some personal experience with glaciers, so I thought that that would be like a good project. So I think I have to okay that with her though. But yeah, other than that, it's just like reading, doing little homework assignments, little quizzes, discussion board. So yeah, today is Monday, like I mentioned. It is 11:10 a.m. I've been up for a while. I've been doing some homework and cleaning just because we were out of town over Thanksgiving. So I've been trying to catch up on some house stuff and like laundry and stuff like that, the fun things. So I've just been doing that. I finished a marketing chapter, so I was slightly productive. But my mom and I think, are going to go out and shop sort of my dresser. Okay, I just have to show you this. So this is my dresser. Literally can't open any of these drawers. They've all just like collapsed into each other. So I can only access this drawer and then like stuff in there. So we're gonna go out and try and find a new dresser because it's just not working, and like I can't put any of my clean clothes in there, and so they're all like on my floor. And so I think we're gonna go find a new dresser and then also stop at Trader Joe's because their candles are so good. We got this one last year. It's a cedar balsam. And I am like kind of allergic to candles and scents in general. Like the cheap scents, like anything from Bath & Body Works, even though it's not cheap, they just like, my eyes kind of water and I just don't like it. Like it bothers me for some reason. So I have to get like good soy candles, and these ones are cheap. I think they're like $4, but they don't bother me at all. So I think we're gonna go get some of those. And then they also have a shampoo that I really like, and this creamer that I saw like Morgan Yates post about was like pepperminty, so I want to get that too. So yeah, I mean like just a typical Monday. Alright, so I'm quickly gonna do an outfit. My mom just got home, we're about to leave. So this little gray bell sleeve top is from Nordstrom Rack, and then my leggings are Lucy, and then I'm wearing some white Converse.
Shutterstock Music.
Alright, it is so much later now. It's like 9:12. My mom and I went out shopping for a dresser. We didn't find anything. We got home around 4 o'clock and I have just been doing homework. I was finishing up an assignment for English, and then I had to finish my Native American reading for actually the semester. I don't think we read anything else for the semester, so I finished that up, and then I've just been working on answering a couple of discussion questions for that, which always takes me a little while. Just writing in general takes me a while. But I finished those and I emailed my professors because I have a conflict with my 2 final exams. So since I'm a community college student, like, the exam schedules like work, but like, okay, so my Native American exam is from 1:30 to 3:30, and then my marketing exam is from 4 to 6, and it takes me more than 30 minutes to drive to the other campus, park, and like walk to the buildings. So I'm trying to figure that out with my professors, so I was just emailing them. Yeah, that's really all I did. I feel like I haven't really been very productive today, but again, like, writing just takes me a little while. And so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and like shower, and then I think I'm gonna make some hot chocolate and just watch an episode of Gossip Girl, and just kind of relax for the rest of the night. Alright, so it's Tuesday morning. It is about 10:20. I've actually been up since like 6:58. I took my mom to the airport this morning, came home, laid in bed a little bit more, and then I ate breakfast, did a little bit of homework, got ready. I'm about to head out to my classes. I have Native American Literature, Public Relations, and then Marketing today. And I am leaving a little bit early because it's still snowing, and even though I drove like to the airport and back, like, the roads weren't icy, but I just don't want to like be rushed because I don't like driving in the snow. So alright, so I'm at campus 2 of the day. If you guys are new here, I'll explain this again just because I feel like my week in my life have been getting more views than usual. So if you're new, I am technically a community college student, so I take classes at a community college. I'll graduate in May with my associate's degree, but then they also let us take 6 credits or 2 classes in my case at the main university, which is where I am now. So I have public relations and marketing here. PR counts towards communication, which is what I'm going to get my bachelor's in, and then I'm going to get my minor in marketing, so my marketing class counts for that. So yeah, I have, how long do I have? I have 55 minutes until my PR class starts, which I actually thought about skipping because it's just the worst class I think I've ever taken. It's so bad. Professor is like MIA. She has canceled so many classes before. She actually, last week we had a 15-minute class out of an hour and 20 minutes that's allotted to us, and she said that everyone gets 100 for attendance whether you've come to class or not, and those like me who have come to just about every class only get 5 bonus points, which in her class is not a ton. So it's like there's not even an incentive to keep on going. And then she said we submitted a news release assignment, which is critical and integral to the public relations field. And she said, oh yeah, I'm not going to grade those, like, you all just get 30 out of 30, woohoo. And then she also canceled our final exam because she canceled 2 classes in a row, so like we didn't talk about like 3 chapters during that week, and then she was like, you basically just like don't even have to like read the chapters anymore, like, you guys got it. Okay, rant is over. I will show you guys what I'm eating for lunch. I always eat in my car while I watch Gossip Girl or The Office for like 10 minutes, and then I'll walk to class and do homework in class, or not in class, before class starts. So I have an apple and peanut butter, which is what I always bring. It's just really yummy and good for me. And then I have some pineapple tidbits and an applesauce. And then I also have these like little Cheeto things from Trader Joe's that I really like. They're not like super cheesy and flavorful, so they're good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, I have my 2 classes, and then I'm meeting a girl for coffee afterwards. We're just gonna chat, and I've actually never met her before, so get to know her a little bit. And then my dad and I are going to a movie at 6:30. So it's been like a busy, long day, so I'm very excited to go to sleep tonight, but I still have a lot to do before I can do that, so. Alright, so it's Thursday morning. It is 10:24. I should be in my car backing out of my driveway right now. But I am about to head to my classes. I have all 3 classes again today, and then I also have to participate in like a research study for my marketing class, so that's from 1 to 1:30. And then I'm meeting someone after class again as well. So yeah, it's kind of going to be another go day, and I'm just like so ready to just like sit and breathe. I just actually downloaded a countdown app on my phone to count down until the end of the semester. I don't feel like overwhelmed with schoolwork. I'm just tired of like going because I'm not that kind of person. I can't do it. It just tires me out so quickly. So yeah, today's gonna be go, but then tomorrow I work, Saturday I work, Sunday I'm off, Monday I'm off, so then I'll be able to kind of sit down and breathe. But yeah, I'm late, so I'm gonna go. It's Friday morning. Again, I apologize for not vlogging a ton yesterday. It was not my day. This has not really been my week either, so I just haven't really been in the mood to sit down and film. So it's mostly just because it's the end of the semester. Everything's just wrapping up and there's just still like so much to do. So feeling slightly stressed, but like not quite. Just trying to stay on top of it, trying to work a little bit ahead in some of my other classes, but still leaving time to write. And I still hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other Christmas video requests, holiday things, just let me know. I would love to hear them. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!